Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. What am I gonna do today? Well, this is my project. I've got a ceiling fan I need to install, and I'm gonna be installing it in this bedroom. Okay, 10-foot ceilings, and I'm gonna do this a different way than I've ever done it before. And you might want to watch this video series to find out how I'm going to do it. There's no switch for power. That switch is for the lights. There's no switch there. I'm on the ground floor. There's another floor above here, so there's hardly any attic space above here. I don't want to patch walls. I don't want to patch a ceiling. I don't want to cut stuff out to run wire up from here. So I'm going to show you and explain to you a different way to do it, and I'm pretty sure it's going to work. So if that's what you want to watch, stick around.